Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to go through the trade with you on this 23rd day of January 2026. Good to have you with us. And the setup is pretty much the same as it is every day, although today was a little bit more congested and the first hour of the live trading was fairly quite difficult. But here we are at the trade of the day, and this is where it all broke open. So we're looking for our strong candle indicator, which is this one right here, saying take this candle short. You see we had this in 3 times earlier. This one went really well. This one never got picked up in because it went down first, and we always wait for a retrace. And now we're going to give it our third try right here today. So we're going to go ahead and go with our strong candle indicator. I'm looking at the PBI. Expect the next candle to be somewhere between 70 and 100 ticks in length. So we're going to use our ATM of 20s and then go for 50 and 100 tick runners. And this is how it all went down. This is a trade taken in the room by myself and others for profit live in the room. So here we go. We'll go ahead and put our sell order on outside a cover order, and we'll just let it run. We get a decent retrace here. There you go. That's it right there. That's all I need. Lovely. Now when this comes through, it should, as long as it pays our first target, we're good to go. Because we will take the risk out of the trade at that point. So we'll see when this goes on. This is the current market time. We do that because we want to make sure we get picked up in the trade, just like we did in the room, and then we can speed it up for the result afterwards. But it takes a minute or so for a retrace. That's not too bad. It's actually like the perfect retrace. Now when it picks us up, we should be good. First thing I got to do is put my stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure area. And now we got to get our 21 tick target hit. So let's speed it up a little bit and see what happens when our 20 tick target gets hit. Boom. See, our stop comes all the way up to here to a break-even position. It's still above where we got in. So if it comes back, the market comes back and takes me out of break-even, I have a chance to re-enter the trade here. And it's been that kind of a day. Sometimes you just got to let it go. And we'll get another order ready just in case. I don't think it did come back and take us out at break even. So certainly a hedge protector. Ooh, boom. There we go. I thought it happened pretty quick. I didn't remember it happening that quickly. That trade right there took less than 4 minutes to complete and was worth 985 US dollars. 4 minutes for $985. So if you want to learn how to make that kind of money in 4 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, home of the specialty indicators that make trading so much easier. And I look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless you, and we'll see you then.